Hello! We have our locks board and a bunch of friends to meet. Let's count our doors and see who is home. Here's door number 1, 2, 3, and here's door number 4, 5, and 6. We also have color doors. This is color purple, blue, yellow, red, green, and orange. But who's home? Let's find out. Who's there? It's locked. We'll have to open it. One purple pony. 1. Hello, pony. Door number 2. Who's there? Let's unlock it. 2 blue dogs. 1, 2. Hello, dogs. Door number 3. Let's unlock it. Who could be in there?
Meow. Meow.
3 yellow cats. 1, 2, 3. Hello, cats. What about door number 4? Who could be in there? Let's unlock it and see. 4 red rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, rabbits. 5. 5 green frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, frogs. Door number 6. Who could be in there? Let's open it. 6 orange fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, fish. Can you count your numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count backwards. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job! It's time to say goodbye to our friends now. Goodbye, 6 fish. Goodbye, 5 green frogs. It's time to put them to bed. Goodbye, 4 red rabbits. Goodbye, 3 yellow cats.
Meow. Meow.
Who's next? Goodbye, 2 blue dogs. Goodbye, 1 purple pony. All of our friends are home safe. That was so much fun. Great job, everybody.
Woohoo!
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more fun videos. Press the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.